Okay, my zipper split open and she fixed it.
But it came apart way down here. And this was sewed over like that. And so when you zip it down, it only went this far. And this was still open. So it came right apart again. And this little thing here is so small you can barely get your fingers on it.
So they need to make that little clip a little bigger.
I know on some jackets the zipper thing here is bigger so you can get a hold of them. But see what was happening, then it was a part down here. This was sewed over.
So what did you do to fix it? First you unsewed this part, right?
Yeah, and sewed this corner here.
And then just pushed it all the way down?
And then pushed it all the way down to this little metal clip here. It's not broke, it just, I don't know why it came apart. So it's all the way down.
So are you going to re-sew this?
Yeah, so I think I'll put some stitches here. So
maybe even like an inch up, put some stitches here so it only goes down about that far.
Yeah, I'll sew this together. Then I'll put this, stick this over here on the corner.
Because there was times it went down so far I couldn't grasp it from the front.
Oh.
So that's why I say an inch up.
This probably doesn't even need to be sewed over there.
Well, it probably wouldn't lay flat on the inside. That's
Okay.
the inside of the pants.
I'll just put a couple stitches right there. But I'll sew this up so it can't go down so far.
Okay, so these are Dickie pants. Okay. Zipper needs to be a little bit more heavy duty for work pants. These have done good for years, but now that I'm looking at them, the zipper could be a little better. I know I have a golf instructional video that I listen to, and the guy talks about bad zippers on golf bags. And he said, zipper goes bad, the whole golf bag is bad. So same here, zipper goes bad, the whole pair of pants is bad. So.
And Vicky had a travel bag, the zipper went bad, and it was a little flimsy little plastic zipper.
Yeah.
You'd think they put heavier zippers on them.
Yeah, that's the first thing people look at is how strong is the zipper. Okay.
Now the one on your coat's heavier.
Okay, see ya. Bye.